Hello viewers, how are you? I'll come back another vlogs today. It's Akmol Sea Beach, or it's a sea beach popular, but it's a coastline area. Sea coastline, its name Akmol coastline area, and watching it's afternoon. It's afternoon and it's coastline area, and the sun is. Say what is sun? This is sun. Say a few minutes later, about half an hour, and watching as a Rafiq vlogs another. I went out to door to take a picture and create a real story. But wanna share with you more story, but not as prepared to script. Then I not to share it. And remember me, and I will share you most important story about my life and our nations and other things. It's just coastal area. Thank you for watching my vlogs, and hope to that I will come back very soon with this space. Thank you.